David, Chesapeake RV Solutions with you again with an exciting new entry to our fifth wheel lineup. That is the 2020 Arctic Wolf 3660 Suite model. This is a mid-bunk fifth wheel in the Arctic Wolf line that adds a fantastic amount of features and comfort and quality for just 10,790 pounds unloaded vehicle weight. Of course, electric jacks in the front, new upgraded 2-inch thick walls with aluminum framing and block foam insulation help this coach maintain a fantastic comfort level, as does the heated and enclosed underbelly. Storage is one of the most important things on these fifth wheel coaches, and we see a fantastic amount of it in this space. First, the first pass-through bay in the front. Notice that aluminum substructure. Stepping back to the second storage bay on the door side, we'll find another trick that this coach has, which is cable and power hookups inside for your outdoor TV. Great amount of storage, never goes unappreciated in a fifth wheel. Slam latch doors, of course, and the fixed steps with the new larger landing step at the top. Now moving back to the rear of the door side of the coach, we have the fantastic outdoor kitchen. Arctic Wolf has now for several years given us a great refrigerator freezer. This is not a little dorm fridge. This is 8 cubic feet. Fantastic amount of space that is available to you for all your drinks as well as frozen food needs for outdoor cooking and kitchen. Several drawers as well as a cabinet finish out this outdoor kitchen space. Now moving towards the rear of the coach, we see the cargo bay, spare tire, and here's that propane quick connect for your grill out here with your outdoor kitchen. All new LED lights all around on the Arctic Wolf this year. Great rear windows as well as the prep for a rear view camera, standard on this fifth wheel. Now here's the first of our hookup spots with a 50 amp service. This coach is already pre-wired for a second AC should you choose to add one. Outdoor shower, and the first of the 3 slides on the non-door side that make this fantastic Arctic Wolf 3660 so spacious inside. We'll see that inside in just a minute. Moving up the side of the coach, we see obviously the 15-inch aluminum rims with tire pressure monitors in the caps. Arctic Wolf has been doing for several years now. Moving forward still, we come upon the wet bay, black tank flush, freshwater hookups, and I want to pay special attention here to your dump valves. Underneath the coach and the Arctic Wolf 3660, you'll notice it is a heated and enclosed underbelly, and the gate valves are within that conditioned space. Makes a big difference for your cold weather camping. Here are the other sides of those storage bays. And of course, as we move in, you see the gross vehicle weight on this coach is a fantastic 13,900. Propane locker, of course, on each side of the coach up front, allowing you to carry more than enough propane for your camping needs. Of course, the limited package that we order these fifth wheels in has the wraparound gel-coated fiberglass cap, LED lights, and a fantastic appearance package. Let's take a step back, one more look before we go inside the 3660. Now you'll notice the new lighter wood color throughout the coach for 2020, as well as the blackout kitchen package with a new darker style farmhouse sink, blackout appliances, valances, and new for 2020 in our limited models, a zebra blinds and window shade system that allows for a several color blind, which is very attractive. I want you to see that in person by coming out to the dealership. Of course, an entertainment center beside the dining table provides television, storage, and a 5200 BTU fireplace. Thomas Payne furniture remains standard in our limited models. They are the Ethan Allen of RV furniture. Now, as we turn our attention to the kitchen, I want to point out that slide height that I hope you noticed. 6'4" in the slide outs. There's that 12-volt vibration smart refrigerator, 10 cubic feet, the Peninsula kitchen, and that beautiful farmhouse-style sink with pull-out spray faucet. Looking up, you'll notice a new racetrack AC ducted system, which will improve the cooling of this coach. Now here's the first interior secret, and that is a mid-bunk house. Bunk up above and then a tri-fold sofa below. That room also offers you additional storage options and television hookups. Now there's another special secret to this coach after we take a peek at your control panels, and that is the one command system. This system allows you to utilize a phone app as well as this touchscreen controls to control the whole coach. The one control system from LCI is a nice, convenient feature. Now we reach the next ladder, and the ladder goes to your additional sleeping space. This is a large sleeping space, complete with television hookups for entertaining. That is a great sleep space for kids as well as guests and storage. Now moving into the bathroom space, we see that great shower stall that Arctic Wolf has been using in most of their fifth wheels for several years, with the nice two-piece design, great skylight, porcelain commode, and an oversized vanity sink with storage above and below. Very spacious bathroom available in the 3660. Stepping into the bedroom space, we find a king-size bed on the slide-out. That gives us room for a chest of drawers at the foot of the bed, as well as an ample storage space in the forward compartment. That forward storage space consists of a hanging bar, as well as built-in cabinetry for shoes and other accessories. Now, looking back towards the midsection of the bedroom, we see the last secret that they've included in this 3660, which we just love. It is obviously a storage closet for you with hanging and shelf space, but it is also plumbed for a washer and dryer. So fantastic list of amenities in a lightweight fifth wheel at 42 feet that we know you're going to love. Visit us at ChesapeakeRVSolutions.com for more, or come see us at South Battlefield Boulevard in Chesapeake.